the next team has a solution. Let's hear from SaniSOLE.
Hi, my name is Björn, and I'm Antonio, and we are co-founders of SaniSOLE. Have you ever wondered what type of materials disposable sanitary pads are made of, and what happens to them when they're thrown away? Almost all modern sanitary products are made of up to 70% plastic materials. The same type of plastic is used in plastic bags that you have been trying to avoid in the supermarket. Our comfortable and convenient lifestyle is a leading cause of pollution. If you're a woman using sanitary pads, you will produce up to 3 kilograms of plastic waste every year. It doesn't really sound much, right? But remember, there are 4 billion women on Earth. That is a lot of waste and a lot of fossil fuels used for plastic production. Don't worry, SaniSOLE offers you a solution that does not require any changes to your lifestyle. We have produced the first disposable sanitary pad that fully degrades and is safe both for you and for nature. Not only that, our raw materials are natural molecules coming from byproducts from various industries such as starch. Meaning that a pad from SaniSOLE does not require us harming nature or using fossil fuels. If you believe in SaniSOLE, you are solving 2 problems with only 1 solution. These pads are just the start for a more sustainable sanitary industry, and you can be part of it today. Do you want to contribute to sustainable society? Follow us on LinkedIn and visit our website at sanisole.sc. We are SaniSOLE, and we want to save the world one pad at a time.
Do you always carry a potato with you? Sounds amazing, is amazing, fantastic, but as we all know and have learned, that one of the biggest obstacles for innovation to be successful is not coming up with the ideas, it's actually getting people to adopt the ideas. It's the adoption threshold. How big is the threshold for a user to start using your products? I mean, how big is the adoption threshold here?
Well, that's a really good question. Thank you. We think one of the most interesting aspects of material has, of our product has, is the company right now, they can really use the same polymer commercial techniques. They don't really need to change, or they have specialized machines, or there are any extra costs they have right now. So that's one advantage we have with all recipe with SaniSOLE.
And being a hardware case and a product case, you differ a bit from the digital sort of fast-paced things, which might be easier to launch and get out there. How has the pre-incubator process been for you regarding you working with a hardware product?
I think it's been very useful to get access to contacts in the industry, and also seeing that the stuff we do in the lab and the stuff we research all the time can actually be used in real world applications. So it's really helped us push out into the real world and gain traction that way.
Wonderful. A big hand for SaniSOLE.